SEO for e-commerce website. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for the success of an e-commerce website. By optimizing your online store for search engines, you can improve its visibility, attract more organic traffic, and increase your chances of converting visitors into customers. Here are some essential SEO strategies for an e-commerce website. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your potential customers are likely to use when searching for products you offer. Use keyword research tools to find high-traffic, low-competition keywords and incorporate them into your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. High-quality product descriptions. Write unique and compelling product descriptions for each item in your store. Avoid using manufacturer-provided content, as duplicate content can harm your SEO. Instead, focus on providing valuable information, highlighting features, benefits, and solving customer problems. Optimize product images. Optimize product images by using descriptive file names and alt tags. Search engines can't see images, so alt tags provide information about the image content, helping search engines understand the context of your images. User-friendly URLs. Create clean, user-friendly URLs that include relevant keywords and are easy to understand. Avoid using unnecessary parameters and symbols in your URLs. Site structure and navigation. Ensure that your website has a clear and logical site structure. Organize products into relevant categories and use breadcrumbs for easy navigation. A well-structured site helps search engines crawl and index your pages effectively. Page speed optimization. Improve your website's loading speed, as it is a significant ranking factor. Compress images, leverage browser caching, use content delivery networks, CDNs, and optimize your code to reduce page load times. Mobile optimization. With the majority of online searches happening on mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is essential. Use responsive design to ensure your e-commerce site adapts well to different screen sizes. User reviews and ratings. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings for your products. Positive reviews can improve your site's trustworthiness and increase click-through rates and search results. Secure website. Implement HTTPS to ensure secure communication between your website and visitors. Search engines consider HTTPS as a ranking factor and prioritize secure sites. Schema markup. Implement schema markup to provide search engines with more information about your products and improve your chances of appearing in rich snippets or product carousels. Internal linking. Create a strong internal linking structure to help search engines discover and index all of your product pages. Use relevant anchor text and link to related products or categories. Social media integration. Utilize social media to promote your products and engage with your audience. Social signals can indirectly impact your search rankings. Avoid duplicate content. Prevent duplicate content issues by using canonical tags and avoiding identical content on different product pages. Regularly update content. Keep your website's content fresh and updated. Regularly add new products, remove outdated information, and publish blog posts or articles related to your products or industry. By implementing these SEO strategies, you can improve your e-commerce website's visibility in search engine results and attract more potential customers to your online store. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, and staying up to date with the latest SEO trends and best practices is essential for long-term success. How we create SEO for e-commerce website. Creating SEO for an e-commerce website involves a combination of on-page and off-page optimization strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create SEO for your e-commerce website. Keyword research. Start by conducting keyword research to identify relevant keywords and phrases that potential customers are using to search for products similar to yours. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to find high-traffic, low-competition keywords. Optimize product pages. Each product page should be optimized for a specific target keyword. Incorporate the chosen keywords into the following elements. Product title. Product description, unique and engaging. Meta title and meta description. URL, include the keyword. Unique product descriptions. Avoid using manufacturer-provided content for product descriptions. Write unique, informative, and engaging descriptions that provide value to your potential customers. Unique content helps prevent duplicate content issues and improves SEO. Optimize product images. Optimize product images for faster loading times by compressing them without compromising quality. Use descriptive file names and alt tags with relevant keywords to help search engines understand the content of the images. User-friendly URLs. Create clean and readable URLs for your product pages. Include relevant keywords and avoid using unnecessary parameters or symbols. Site structure and navigation. Organize your products into categories and subcategories with a logical site structure. Implement breadcrumbs for easy navigation, and make sure that users can find products with just a few clicks. Page speed optimization. Improve your website's loading speed to enhance the user experience and boost SEO. Optimize images, leverage browser caching, use a content delivery network, CDN, and optimize your website's code. Mobile-friendly design. Ensure your e-commerce website is fully responsive and mobile-friendly. With mobile searches dominating the online landscape, this is crucial for both user experience and SEO. Product reviews and ratings. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings for your products. Positive reviews can improve trust and credibility, which may indirectly impact search rankings. Schema markup. Implement schema markup to provide search engines with more information about your products. This can improve the chances of appearing in rich snippets and enhance your website's visibility in search results. Internal linking. Create a strong internal linking structure to help search engines crawl and index all your product pages. Use relevant anchor text to link to related products or categories. Secure website. Ensure your website has an SSL certificate and is accessible via HTTPS. This is not only important for securing customer data but also for SEO, as search engines favor secure sites. Create an XML sitemap. Generate an XML sitemap that lists all your product pages, categories, and other important pages on your website. Submit it to Google Search Console to help search engines index your pages more efficiently. Content marketing and blogging. Create a blog on your e-commerce website and publish relevant, informative, and valuable content related to your products and industry. Content marketing can attract more organic traffic and help establish your website as an authority in your niche. Social media integration. Integrate social media into your e-commerce website to promote your products and engage with your audience. Social signals can indirectly impact SEO. Track and analyze. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track and analyze your website's performance. Monitor keyword rankings, traffic sources, user behavior, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, and it may take time to see significant results. Stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and best practices, and continuously optimize your e-commerce website to improve its search engine visibility and attract more organic traffic. What's the benefits of e-commerce website? E-commerce websites offer numerous benefits to businesses and consumers alike. Here are some of the key advantages of having an e-commerce website. Global reach. An e-commerce website allows businesses to reach customers worldwide, breaking geographical barriers and expanding their market reach beyond traditional brick-and-mortar stores. 24/7 availability. Unlike physical stores with fixed operating hours, an online store is accessible 24/7, allowing customers to browse and make purchases at their convenience, regardless of time zones. Convenience. E-commerce provides a convenient shopping experience for customers. They can shop from the comfort of their homes or on the go using their mobile devices, avoiding the need to travel to a physical store. Cost-effectiveness. Setting up and maintaining an e-commerce website can be more cost-effective than running a brick-and-mortar store. There are no expenses related to physical premises, utilities, or in-store staff. Lower barrier to entry. E-commerce reduces the barriers to entry for entrepreneurs and small businesses, enabling them to start and operate an online store without the significant capital required for a physical store. Personalization and targeting. E-commerce websites can leverage customer data and preferences to offer personalized shopping experiences and targeted marketing campaigns, improving customer satisfaction and increasing sales. Wider product range. E-commerce allows businesses to showcase a vast range of products without the limitations of physical shelf space, giving customers more choices and increasing the likelihood of finding what they need. Easy comparison shopping. Customers can easily compare prices, features, and reviews of different products online, helping them make informed purchasing decisions.